Hello, people. So, yesterday I was just speaking about the fact that I finished reading this book called I've Never Been Unhappier by Shaheen Bhatt, and perhaps the most important takeaway from this book for me has been that if you were to analyze depression, it uh, it essentially stems from the feelings of shame, you know, so that's really, that shows the kind of thought that the writer has put into the book. I mean, Shaheen Bhatt, and this book is sporadically quite funny, and it's a very well written book. So but that's what. And in fact, anxiety and depression, like, apparently all mental disorders are swept together into the same bracket. But Shaheen Bhatt explains to us that anxiety and depression, which are both mental disorder, like mental conditions for which one can take medication, they are essentially very different. Like, depression is very it doesn't involve any panic attack, but anxiety is all about panic attacks. So this book is very enlightening. Never Been Unhappier. It gives you an insight into how what one would perceive as something that is, oh, it's just in the mind, it's hormones and all. No, yeah, it's a very real condition. So really, I would recommend this book. You can find it on Amazon. And Shaheen Bhatt, salute. I think she's like, she's done such a big service to for anyone wanting to understand anything about the mental health industry. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.